Bakwethu, ngiyabezwa abantu abaningi bayaphenika babuka yonke lento yokuvunguza komoya mebebona amaqembu anjengo-IFP o-NFP, o-DA no-ANC beforma a-coalition. Kodwa umuntu oyaziyo ipolitiki noyilandelayo, into eyenziwe i-IFP ayina-surprise, into vele endala, akuyona into engasithusa. Kufana nale nkulumo yabo abayishoyo abathi bahlalile balindele ubuholi be-MK for 4 hours kwangafika muntu. Uyabo leyo nto even noma ngabe bebefikile abantu be-MK bengeke kwenze mehluko ngoba labantu besebedle u-30 million wase-Stellenbosch. Ngeke ufike uthathe imali ngisho noma ngabe u-30 million noma ngabe u-20 million wase-Stellenbosch mase ungitshela uzokwenza i-collusion nabantu abalwisana nabo. Obviously vele i-collusion ade sebetshelwe yona ukuthi yapi iyangala kwi-DA ne-ANC. Kuhleke kakhulu ke lokho. It's time for us ukuthi ke sivuleke amehlo manje singa-act ngeinhliziyo. Kuyilesikhathi ke manje ke ekuthiwa yila kuhlukana khona inhloko nesixhanti. I-revolution begins now. How does it begin? Each and every single VD ewinwe i-MK noma ewinwe i-EFF, we need to clean up. Siqala kanjani ke masiclean? Sikhipha ikhansela ngoba lisahlaleleni ngoba vele sesivotile against inhlangano yalo. Yini into elisazosenzela yona? Into ekufanele ke siyenze manje ukuthi singawalindi ngisho aze kufike ku-26 fanele siwakhiphe manje. Kufana nakubona wonke ama-institute, kona wonke ama-student committee, kuyona yonke indawo. We need to make sure we are represented by EFF or MK. Indaba ye-ANC into of the past. Ayisamele manje abantu abamnyama sebezitshengisile ukuthi basebenzela izitha. Asingabancinge, asingabalwisini, kodwa into ekufanele sibalwe ngayo manje ile. Thina senza sure sibakhipha manje kuyona yonke indawo ngoba ayikho into esila sebezosenzela yona sebesazi ukuthi sizitha zabo sime against them. Yabona nje manje abasadingakali ngisho nanokuthi bazo-addressa umphakathi ngoba imuphi umphakathi abasazo-addressa ngoba vele sesivotele thina i-MK ne-EFF sesitshengisile ukuthi asabafuni. Each and every single VD bekufanele siqale ke manje. We launch a missile after a missile, and how we are launching those missiles, we're giving them nothing but a wave after wave, a hit after hit. Sithi siya cleaner and get rid of all lama khansela kagogo, because ayikho into esihlangana nayo, ayikho futhi into esayophinda isihlanganise. Asibakhipheni.